Okay, hi, I'm Emmanuel. I'm a full stack developer. I have over 8 years experience with full stack. Uh, Basically dominant on the or prevalent or good with a lot of experience with the .NET Core platform, C Sharp, SQL, and Python. In my early days as a developer, I started with the Python programming language, and with my interest in machine learning and AI, I delved into it deeply. I've also used Python for several .NET, several machine learning projects. I've built models for production line companies, and after that, as I fell in love with C Sharp, and then fell in love with C Sharp and the .NET platform. So with this, I also had to, with my initial love for machine learning, I've also built a lot of machine learning or AI APIs integrating the ML.NET model training model, the ML.NET model, integrating it into my APIs. So to create a sentiment API, and one of them I did was also trained on the IMDb dataset for sentiment analysis. So in a TSV file, and integrated it into my API. So I have a lot of experience with JOT as JSON Web Tokens also for securing my APIs using the authorized keyword. I also have a lot of experience with logging and troubleshooting for APIs using the Serilog to monitor logins and on dashboards with the dashboard interface. So heavy on C Sharp and the .NET platform, different architecture, the web core, ASP.NET Web Core API, the MVC architecture. I'm conversant with a lot of architectures like the clean architecture, the domain architecture. I've also worked, as we all know, the agile development method, which is the in thing from the waterfall method of before. This does not mean the waterfall method isn't good, but the agile development method allows for iterative processes, that is going back and forth between stakeholders, customers, and project managers, and also developers. So I've also used a lot of conversant with a lot of collaboration tools like Jira, GitHub, for version control, and the Swagger UI for API documentation. So that's a brief introduction about myself, and I'm looking forward to collaborate with you towards a favorable collaboration between both parties. So thank you.